Thank you. Who be engineer? First, my voice don't low. Don't dim. Help me louder. I like noise. Now engineer be this. Now you be engineer. Or you go be your engineer. Make I know what the stone. Bros, who be engineer? Okay, now you be this. And I talk to you, they say, not be you. Why you do like that? Give me volume, man. Everything tell a crack joke. You they laugh, your mouth reach your ear. Give me volume, my voice all cut. And what is how they talk to? You said it? Maybe you go ade. We have in this place. Let's say they Chris. Oh, because I get a theater center. Like, hey. You say? Wait, one idiot will they talk at a time? Oh, yeah, idiot. Let's go. You say? That they part the idiot. So you feel talk. For your mind, you wear polo. December go there. This polo you wear 32 now 1,000. If they do on promo 750, they will keep that way go escort you carry a grass. It's not be Okoko. Okoko na the best place. Here they learn. If you not know Coco. If you not know Coco, oh God, you not let you they miss. The one way they born you. Oh, you call that's why you take a land. That's why you take a land. They said the land at 3.5. This is why they go tell you the money. So this is why if you sell at 400 though. No sell them. Oh, no, they sell land though. Where your mom? What up, ma? How you doing, ma? Yeah. Wow, this is nice. Look, you go look the mama. You know, saying I saw people say they look me, they look my mama. That time. They all say, Akparo, now your mama, please. Yes. Sorry, ma. How you take on now? Because my face that time, I'm nervous. My face, Jesus.